Hello student, welcome to Concept of Chemistry. My name is Swapnali. In this video, I will teach you electrophilic substitution reaction in aromatic ethers. For this reaction trick is we have to know the resonating structure of aromatic ether and what are the electrophile involved in the electrophilic substitution reaction in aromatic ether. Now we can see the trick. Here the resonating structure of ether at ortho position negative charge and at para position negative charge means the ortho position and the para position of the aromatic ether is electron rich and the electrophile is electron deficient species. Therefore electrophile adds to ortho and para position. This is the ortho position and this is the para position. Therefore electrophile goes to ortho and para position. Now we can see the electrophilic substitution reaction. What is meant by electrophilic substitution? Electrophilic means electrophile, substitute means replace this hydrogen. Here is the hydrogen present at ortho position, at para position. This hydrogen and this hydrogen is replaced by the electrophile. Replace means substitution. Now we can see the reaction. First we can see bromination reaction. Here in bromination reaction Br2 and acetic acid is used. Here we get two products, the orthobromo anisole and the parabromo anisole. This structure is called anisole and this is the ortho position. At ortho position bromine is added, therefore it is called orthobromo anisole, and at para position bromine adds, therefore name is parabromo anisole. Here the electrophile is Br plus. It adds to ortho and para. Why adds to ortho and para? Because ortho position and para position is electron rich and Br plus is electron deficient, therefore it adds to ortho and para position. Now we can see the nitration reaction. In nitration reaction we use concentrated HNO3 and the concentrated H2SO4. Before that we can see the bromination reaction, major and the minor product. Here the major product is parabromo anisole and minor product is orthobromo anisole. Why it is minor? Ortho product is minor due to the steric hindrance because two bulky groups are close to each other. Now we can see nitration reaction. Here concentrated H2SO4 is used as a catalyst for generation of electrophile. Here electrophile is NO2 plus. NO2 plus is electron deficient and the ortho and para position of anisole is electron rich. Therefore it adds to ortho and para position and we get ortho product and para product. The ortho product is minor and para product is major. Ortho is minor because steric hindrance, because two bulky groups are close to each other. Here at ortho position nitro group, therefore ortho nitro anisole. This part is called anisole. At para position nitro group, this is para position, therefore para nitro anisole. Now we can see next reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, anhydrous AlCl3 is used as a Lewis acid and the CH3Cl used as a reagent. Here electrophile is CH3 plus. It adds to ortho and para position. Why? Because the ortho position electron rich and para position is electron rich. Here at ortho position CH3, the name of compound is here. The name is here at ortho position methoxy group, therefore orthomethoxytoluene. Here at para position methoxy group and this part is called toluene, therefore name is paramethoxytoluene. Now we can see the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. The reagent is anhydrous AlCl3 and CH3COCl is called acetyl chloride. Here electrophile is CH3CO plus. It is electron deficient, therefore it adds to ortho and para position. Ortho product is minor and para product is major because of this steric hindrance. Here the name of compound is orthomethoxy and here is not toluene, here acetophenone, here acetophenone, here not toluene. Here this is the ortho position of the, here Orthomethoxy, this is the aceto group, aceto, and this is the phenol. Orthomethoxy, here acetophenone. Orthomethoxy, acetophenone. Here paramethoxy, acetophenone. At para position, methoxy group, therefore paramethoxy, acetophenone. Hope you like my video. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.